Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be discussing with you on how I balance my time, my schedule, my daily routine. Well, of course, I'm in school, so it makes it even more difficult for me to organize everything I do. So, of course, on my schedule list, of course, I have my business that I do on Wednesdays, YouTube that I'm currently posting every day, and I also have school, which is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Then, of course, I also have to spend time with my best friend Celine and my boyfriend Hubert. And both of them, I spend equal time with all of them. And in order to have a nice schedule plan, no stress, I get stressed sometimes in schoolwork, but well, it's school. You have to get stressed at some point. So, usually only on Wednesdays I do my business because for now I do not want to stress myself by opening twice a week. So I just do one time a week for my business where it's easier for me to load everything and do everything in just one day for that business. Also during the business time, when there's no customers, I do my school work and I do YouTube work at the exact same time in order to not waste any time. But mostly I do schoolwork during my business. Then I play a few games with my dad of cribbage. Then on the weekends I film my videos. But if ever I'm going to be going somewhere to relax, like a vacation resort, or going to hang out, or if my boyfriend's here or my best friend's here, then I do pre-recorded videos in order for me to have spend time with them without worrying of filming a video, so it won't be a big stress. Then I also have my YouTube work to do. I do it almost every night. I edit a video for the next day. But if I can manage to edit with many videos at once, then I do it all at once. Like some videos I film 6 times in a day on weekends, and then even during my class breaks during the week I also film and I do my projects in order for me to complete. So I do a majority of things at once. At nighttime I usually sleep around midnight or 1 a.m. because during the whole night I'm doing my schoolwork, and then for like 1 hour, 2 hour I do YouTube. Then in my free time I do my business that I am currently planning. Hopefully that it will be successful. It's not gonna open this year, but maybe in future years it will open. But I'm planning out the name, the stuff I'll sell, and everything there. I'm not gonna mention the name because it's a surprise. But my future YouTube plans are to try and post every day and to keep it daily. If ever I do not upload, it's currently maybe because I'm busy, but I try my best because I'm not earning any money from YouTube yet, but I'm not really caring about the money right now because I would just use the money to provide more entertainment and put profit to my business. But other than that, how I balance my time with school, I do it just during the certain times that I'm available. And I put it all in one list, everything to do in YouTube. I have a whole booklet that I plan out 1 month ahead. If ever there's like a surprise that I can add, then I'll just move back a few videos by one day. Then when it's in school, I just look at the whole thing. I do all my individual works first, and then I move to the group works at nighttime. I message my classmates, my group mates, in order to organize the plan, finish all of this, because we will be having a sem break soon. And during that sem break, I'll be able to film lots of videos and pre-recorded a few of some so that you guys will have some entertainment to do or watch. I hope you guys are enjoying my entertainment currently. So in balancing my time, I keep it pretty organized in order for me to not be stressed. If you want more tips on how to like not be stressed, to calm down more, I can make a video about that. Just Comment below some ideas if you want tips that I can give you, or any more entertaining videos that you want to see. Coming up with ideas, it is a lot of time it takes me to do. I do not like to copy from other people's videos. I do like to try, like if they do hacks, then I would try it out. But I'm not exactly like copying the exact content. I like mine to keep being entertaining. Our family is still growing here in YouTube, and I'm very thankful for how many subscribers I would ever get. As long as you are enjoying my content that I'm providing for you, entertainment, then I am very thankful. I've been doing YouTube since October 6th of 2017. I memorized that date. That is almost 4 years, I think, or 5 years. But that journey has been amazing on YouTube. It's a nice way for me to express myself, enjoy around life, and keep it on memorable place that I can find it whenever I want to watch it. And then I can also do videos where I'm making other people happy or doing something funny that I can't be able to do off camera. Like doing stuff when I was a childhood, where I did a video of funny kids, where I do some funny pranks. It's a real blast here on YouTube, and I really want to keep doing YouTube. So I have to really balance my schedule in order and able to do this. I have to do YouTube. I do a few TikTok once in a while, and I hang out with my friends. I also do swimming here in the ocean, just enjoy and relax. That's pretty much how I balance my schedule. I just have a planner, or I use a regular notebook, and I put there on what I'll do today, what I wrote the very previous day. Like my to-do list for today. I scheduled it yesterday for today that I'm going to be doing school. Then during my lunch break, I'm filming this video. Then I make a few TikToks just to relieve pain or stress that I have from school. Then I do school where I am talking with my group mates, and at the same time I'm also making projects. Then I also have planners for my schoolwork. So there's a lot of planning that I do behind the camera, but I'm not stressed at all with it, and I enjoy making this content for you. If you have more ideas, just comment below. I'd be happy to accept and then make a video idea out of it. I might make like some videos related, like dancing videos again. If you guys remember that before I do dancing videos a lot, and like these music videos, let me know on, you want me to do like more dancing videos and music videos, or should I do like covers where like I'm actually like showing my entire face as I sing it, not like showing clips of different things like how music videos work? Let me know, and I will see on what kind of songs I can put together. I have some songs ready, and I am making an original song, but I have no like person to da 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 or da da da. So I just find like some background music or something. But I'm trying to ask my friends that know how to do guitar and piano if they can, but they're currently busy with school. But it's gonna come at the end of this month or the start of April. If you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and notification bell and comment that idea. And I'll be seeing you in next video. Bye!